Exercise 4A. First bit, first question. Form polynomial equations of the largest of lowest degree with roots as given below. First one, 1 minus 1, 3. So these three are the roots. We need a polynomial equation. Simply I am taking x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the polynomial equation. The polynomial equation, equation with roots alpha, beta, gamma or x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma equal to 0. So now I want to multiply this one. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, x square minus 1, x square minus 1 square, x minus 3 equal to 0. X square into x, x cube, x square into minus 3, minus 3x square, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Next, second one, 1 plus or minus 2y. Another one, 4 comma 2. 1 plus or minus 2y, 4 comma 2. So I am taking this one, alpha equal to 1 plus 2y, beta equal to 1 minus 2y. Next, if we are taking alpha plus beta equal to 1 plus 2y plus 1 minus 2y, 2y getting cancelled, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Alpha beta equal to 1 plus 2y of 1 minus 2y, 1 square, a plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b square plus 2 square, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 1 plus 4, 5. Then x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is x square alpha plus beta minus 2x alpha beta plus 5 equal to 0. With the help of this, I am taking about 4 comma 2. X minus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X into x, x square minus x into 2 minus 2x minus 4x minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 equal to 0. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So this is the equation with roots 1 plus or minus 2y. This is the equation with roots 4 comma 2. So therefore required equation is x square minus 2x plus 5 of x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now I am taking product x square into x square, x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 8x square minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube minus into minus plus 12x square. Next minus into 8 minus 16x, 5 into x square, 5x square, 5 into minus 6 minus 30x, 5 into 8 40 equal to 0. Now x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 2x cube minus 8x cube, 8x square plus 12, 20x square plus 5, 25x square. Next x quotient minus 30x minus 16x minus 46x plus 40 equal to 0. This is the required equation with roots 1 plus or minus 2y, 4 comma 2. Next, third one, 2 plus or minus root 3, 1 plus or minus 2y. Third, 2 plus or minus root 3, 1 plus or minus 2y. So first I want to find out the equation with 2 plus or minus root 3. So alpha equal to 2 plus root 3, beta equal to 2 minus root 3. Alpha plus beta equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel, 2 plus 2, 4. Alpha beta 2 plus root 3 of 2 minus root 3. 2 square minus root 3 square. 2 square 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So now the equation with roots 2 plus or minus root 3. X square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square alpha plus beta minus 4x alpha beta plus 1 equal to 0. Now this one is a gamma 1 plus 2i, delta 1 minus 2i, gamma plus delta 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus 2i, 2i cancel 2, gamma delta 1 plus 2i of 1 minus 2i, 1 square plus 2 square, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Then polynomial or equation is x square gamma plus delta minus 2x gamma delta plus 5 equal to 0. Now required equation I want to find. Required equation. What is the required equation? Here the required equation product of these two, x square minus 4x plus 1 of x square minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now x square into x square, x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus into minus plus 8x square, next minus 20x 1 into x square minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Next x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 4x cube minus 6x cube 5 plus 8 13 plus 1 14x square minus 20 minus 2 minus 22x plus 5 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Next fourth one 0 0 2 2 minus 2 minus 2. So I am taking x minus 0 equation is x minus 0 x minus 0 x minus 2 x minus 2 x plus 2 x plus 2 whole square equal to 0. So x minus 0 x minus 0 x minus 2, how many we are there? We should write x square x minus 2 whole square x plus 2 whole square equal to 0. X square of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, x square minus 4 whole square equal to 0. X square of a minus b whole square, x power 4 minus 2 into 4, 8x square plus 16 equal to 0. X square into x power 4, x power 6 minus 8x power 4 plus 16x square equal to 0. This is the required equation. Next, 1 plus or minus root 3 2 comma 5. Fifth, 1 plus or minus root 3 and 2 comma 5. Alpha equal to 1 plus root 3, beta equal to 1 minus root 3. Alpha plus beta equal to 1 plus root 3 into plus 1 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel 2. Alpha beta equal to 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 equal to 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Now equation x square minus alpha plus beta 2x alpha beta minus 2 equal to 0. Now with x 2 comma 5, x minus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. X square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Overall equation is, what is the overall equation? X square minus 2x minus 2 of x square plus 7x minus 10 equal to 0. Now x square into x square, x power 4 plus 7x cube minus 10x square minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube minus 14x square, next plus 20x minus 2 into x square minus 2x square minus 14x minus into minus plus 20 equal to 0. Now x power 4 as it is, 7x cube minus 2x cube plus 5x cube minus 10x square minus 24x square minus 26x square, x 20x minus 14x plus 6x constant 20 equal to 0. So this is the solution. Next, sixth, 0, 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 0, 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Alpha equal to minus 3 by 2. Beta equal to minus 5 by 2. Alpha plus beta minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 by 2 minus 4. Alpha beta equal to minus 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 minus 50 plus 15 by 4. Minus into minus plus 15 by 4. Next equation, x square minus alpha plus beta plus 4x minus 50 plus 15 by 4 equal to 0. Taking LCM, both sides multiply with 4. 4x square plus 16x plus 15 equal to 0. We should multiply with x minus 0 into x minus 1. X of x minus 1 of 4x square plus 16x plus 15 equal to 0. Next, x into x, x square minus 1. X into x square, 4x power 4. X square into 4x square. X square into 16x, 16x cube. X into x square into 15, 15x square minus x into this one, minus 4x cube. Next, minus x into 16x square, minus 16x square, minus x into 15, minus 15x equal to 0. Now, 4x power 4, 16x cube minus 4x cube plus 12x cube plus 15x square minus 16x square minus x square minus 15x equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay, first bit, second question. If alpha, beta are the roots are 4x cube minus 6x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So alpha, beta, gamma are roots. So since it is cubic equation, it contains 3 roots. The degree of this equation is equal to 3. So it definitely containing 3 roots. Okay. Find the value of, so alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Actually I want to find out all the values. Alpha plus beta plus gamma according to condition. Minus a1 by a0. Minus of minus 6. This is the highest power. Second highest power equal to minus 6. Minus of minus 6 by 4 equal to 6 by 4 equal to 3 by 2. Next, sum of products alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to, so third highest power. What is the third? 7. 7 by 4. So this is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta. Next, alpha beta gamma constant. So first this one we are taking minus, this one we are taking plus, next one minus 3 by 4. So this is the answer. Actually we don't need all these 3, we need this one. So this answer is 7 by 4. Next, third question. 1 comma alpha are the roots of, so the given equation x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Roots are 1 comma alpha. 1 comma alpha are the roots. We need to find out alpha. So actually I want to take the sum of roots. 1 plus alpha. So simply alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to, so second highest power minus of minus 6 by 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus alpha equal to 6. Alpha equal to 6 minus 2, 4. This is the answer. Next, question number 4th. 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. So if minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha are the roots of this equation, we need to find out alpha. So roots are, what are the roots? Minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha. Okay, again I want to take sum. minus 1 plus 2 plus alpha equal to second highest power x cube, second highest power x square coefficient minus 1, highest power coefficient 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 2 minus 1 1 plus alpha equal to minus 1 by 2, alpha equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is actually not only with the sum, we can easily find with the help of product of roots also. So not only product, sum of products. In these three conditions, whatever the condition we may use, we will get the same result, alpha. Next question number 5. Fifth question. So given equation I am writing x cube minus 2x square x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Next 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 are the roots of the equation. You need to find out a value. So x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0. The roots are 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. 1 minus 2 3. So if you substitute whatever the value in this, you will get the answer. If you substitute whatever the value, you will get a. But instead of that, with the help of this condition I am doing. So this is what second highest power, third highest power. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta equal to minus plus a by 1. Alpha beta sum of products, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta equal to a by 1. So alpha beta 1 into minus 2 minus 2, alpha 1 into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 equal to a. So 3 minus 2 1 minus 6 minus 5 a equal to minus 5. So this is the answer. Or else if you substitute x equal to 1, put x equal to 1 in given equation. 1 cube minus 2 of 1 square plus a of 1 plus 6 equal to 0. 1 cube 1 minus 2 plus a plus 6 equal to 0. A equal to 6 minus 2 4 plus 1 5, bringing outside minus 5. Not only if you substitute 1, if you substitute minus 2 also, you will get the same result. If you substitute 3 also, you will get the same result. Next question number 6. If the product of the roots, so equation is given 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9x minus a equal to 0. So this is the equation. So here the product of roots is equal to 9. Product equal to 9. So what is the product? First minus plus minus. Minus of minus a by 4 equal to 9. So product of roots alpha, beta, gamma are the roots alpha, beta, gamma. This formula. Last. So constant, minus of constant by x cube quotient. Minus of minus a by 4 equal to 9. A equal to 4 into 9 equal to 36. So this is the answer. Next, 7th. In 7th, first one I am taking. What is the first one? X power 4 minus 16x cube plus 86x square minus 176x plus 105 equal to 0. This is the equation. We need to find out S1, S2, S3, S4. S1, S2, S3, S4. S1 equal to sigma alpha equal to second highest power minus of minus 16 by 1. So highest power x power 4 quotient 1. 16 by 1 equal to 16. Next S2 sigma alpha beta. Third highest power. Changing first one S2 we should take positive, S1 negative. So So 86 by 1 equal to 86. Next S3, sigma alpha beta gamma, sum of products of 3 at a time. So 3 we are keeping minus of minus 176 by 1 minus of minus 176. S4 is nothing but alpha beta gamma delta 4, so product of 4. So equal to, it is 4, so we should keep positive. 105 by 1 equal to 105. That's it. Next, coming to the second, in this, the equation 8x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So same, finding roots alpha, beta, gamma, delta. I am taking alpha, beta, gamma, delta. If we are taking these 4 are roots, S1 is nothing but simply sigma alpha. Sigma alpha equal to second highest power. Since it is 1, minus of minus 2 by highest power 8. So cancel, minus plus 2 by 8, 1 by 4. S2, sigma alpha beta. So since it is 2, we should keep positive. So what is this one? Minus 27 by 8. Overall minus 27 by 8. Next S3, sigma alpha beta gamma. So since it is 3, I am taking minus. So minus, okay, next 6 by 8. So cancel to minus 3 by 4. Next S4, product alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So it is positive. We are taking 9 by 8. So 9 by 8. So this is S1, S2, S3, S4.